Bet you haven't seen this machine in a while. It's a Windtunnel 2 high capacity pet. I got this, I think it was like in 2016, and it had been overheated twice and the brush roll was messed up and it was an absolute disaster. Well, it's working fairly well now. In fact, I just finished doing a whole house cleaning with it, and I got within 5% of the same results that I did the first time I actually weighed the results. But you know what? I wanted to go and take this pet tool right here, and it just has like fins. There's no bristles or anything like that. It's just literally hard plastic fins. And I'm kind of wondering, will this pick up anything on these cushions? So we have two main couches, and this one is upstairs. Our dog Rosie, a short hair boxer, she lays right on the fabric, so I'm expecting some pickup somewhere with some of her dog hair. But on the light brown couch that we have on the first floor that's like a microfiber, we put a towel down. So I want to do these cushions first, and maybe even a couple of these little throw pillows, so to speak. And I want to see if this works at all. Now I've gone and greased all the bearings here. In fact, I even just recently fixed up the brush roll bearings in this machine, and oh, it sounds nice. It's much quieter than what it was. And this machine is just from 2013. So without further ado, let's see if this crazy pet tool works at all. Well, as you can see, obviously, that works. Amazing. How about we take a look at what's in there? And these are cushions that looked perfectly clean. They didn't actually look dirty at all. So, hidden dirt. Dust there. And I blew this machine out right before I did this video. Amazing. Let's see if I can rearrange this a little bit. Let's see, fiber and dust. There. How about that? Well, this is the Vac Lab YouTube channel, right? So what would a Vac Lab YouTube channel be without measuring something? How much did we actually pick up? So let's see. Fibrous material. I'm gonna say that, and that's about, you can see our dog's hair in there. It's that short little brown stuff. About 1/2 gram. And in other non-fibrous material, it's always nice when you get dust on the display. Okay, so 29 hundredths of a gram, so a little less than 0.3 of a gram. So the whole thing, a little less than a gram. And you know what was so funny? No one could see that dirt in here. So they really didn't change color. That's just what they look like before and after. But the dirt is in your cushions. So this little guy right here, yeah, that works. Thanks for watching.